if you had to start all over again without any knowledge of cyber, I would start with cloud. Right now, cloud's super hot, man. What I would do right now, if I was starting from scratch, it's a great question. Okay, there's a couple certs I would get. With no experience, no nothing, starting from scratch, knowing what I know now, I would start with the AWS Cloud certification. That one, and then there's another one from Google called Google ITS. Let me just show you. I don't want to be a liar here. I'll explain to you why I would get these. It'll blow your mind and you'll follow exactly what I'm saying. So there's one called AWS certification. So if you want to follow along with me, let me just show you what I'm seeing right here. So AWS certifications, I just typed it in and skip all the ads. We want to go directly to Amazon.com site. Okay, so I would take this right here. See this AWS certification? So you can train on their site. I believe their training is free. They even have a whole path for you. This one right here, this cloud practitioner is the one I would take. And the reason why I would take, look at this, it's 90 minutes long. It only costs $100. I could take this right now. I'm thinking about it actually. I'm gonna take this test. The reason why I would take this one of the first ones I would take, is because I just had 5 different interviews. I'm not even counting the screening interviews I had. I had like probably 20 screening interviews or more. But I had about 5 interviews. 4 out of the 5 interviews, they all asked me about cloud.